Russia is increasing production and improving its military equipment. Factories in Russia that manufacture military equipment are working around the clock and have withdrawn the New Year holidays from their employees, the head of state defense military conglomerate Rostec Sergei Chemezov said Monday. Rostec factories involved in fulfilling state contracts are working almost around the clock and their staff is showing self-sacrifice and understanding given the increased workload, Chemezov told the TASS news agency. The Russian armed forces have suffered heavy equipment losses and high ammunition expenditures. Putin urged the Russian defense industry to increase production and improve the quality of equipment at a special council meeting in November held to try and increase supplies to the military. Chemezov, who is believed to be a close associate of Putin, told TASS that the Rostec factories that have switched to 24/7 production include those that make planes and tanks.